To add the Polygon network to your Metamask wallet, start by opening the Metamask browser extension and clicking on the Add Network button. You will then need to fill in the required fields with the Polygon network details, which include the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. The network name is Polygon. The RPC URL is https rpc-mainnet.maticvigil.com. The chain ID is 137. The currency symbol is Matic. And the block explorer URL is https://polygonscan.com. After filling in these details, click the Save button to add the network to your Metamask wallet. Once you have added the Polygon network, you can switch between different networks by clicking on the Network drop-down menu and selecting the Polygon network. You will then be able to view your Matic balance, send and receive Matic, and interact with Polygon-based decentralized applications. It is essential to note that the Polygon network is a sidechain that uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, which provides faster and cheaper transactions compared to the Ethereum mainnet. This makes it an attractive option for developers and users who want to build and interact with decentralized applications without the high transaction fees associated with the Ethereum mainnet. To get started with the Polygon network, you will need to have some Matic tokens in your Metamask wallet. You can purchase Matic on various cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Binance or Coinbase, and then transfer them to your Metamask wallet. In conclusion, adding the Polygon network to your Metamask wallet is a straightforward process that requires filling in the network details and saving the changes. By following these steps, you can start exploring the Polygon ecosystem and taking advantage of its fast and low-cost transactions.